Right, so I'm here to show you how to take a fraction dividing by a whole number. Okay, so for fractions, the weird thing about it is that we do not like to do division. We do not like to involve division in fractions so much. All right. So there's a trick to this. Okay. We are going to change divide to multiply. All right. But of course, there's a consequence to it. Okay. I cannot just simply change divide to times symbol and then nothing else happens. All right. Something else have to happen, of course. Okay. So there's this rule that you can, abide by. I'll call it KCF for short. Okay. Not KFC, huh? So KCF. So K meaning keep, C meaning change, F meaning flip. Okay. Keep, change, flip. All right. So we shall see what keep, change, flip means in this case. Now, keep in this case being to keep the first fraction down. All right. So first fraction, no change. All right. Before that, I forgot to mention something. Before I do anything else, I have to change. The best thing is to change this 2 to 2 out of 1 first. Not say change, but, write it, re-express it in the form of fraction. Okay, because 2 itself, I can rewrite it as 2 out of 1, right? Same for 3 here. Later, you can rewrite it as 3 out of 1. Okay, so just add this denominator to help you understand a little bit better how to flip it later. All right, so let's go on to do the KCF. Keep, meaning to keep the 1 out of 4. Now, middle one is change. So divide, I'm going to change it to times. Flip, 2 out of 1. This was 2 out of 1. But now I'm going to flip it over, become 1 out of 2. You see? Once I have this, all right, and you have learned how to multiply fractions in the previous section, you may refer to the other video for the multiplication part. All right, notice that once you have this, you can just go on to apply or how to do your multiplication for fractions. For this one, no cancellation involved, so just numerator times numerator, denominator times the denominator. So that will give you 1 out of 8. All right, let's go through one more example. Okay, so it's going to be the same on this side. This 3 here, I am going to re-express it as 3 out of 1. Then I'm going to apply my KCF. Keep, change, flip, yeah. Okay, so let's do that. So keep 3/4 as 3/4. Change, divide to times. Flip over 3 out of 1, becoming 1 out of 3. All right. And from there, just apply what you know from multiplication or fractions. Notice that 3 and 3 both can cancel. Okay, in this case, they didn't do the cancellation. They straight top times top, bottom times bottom. That's fine as well. That's okay as well. But of course, if you notice 3 and 3 can cancel, you can straight away do that. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just follow this. So 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And of course, simplify it further. Okay, so that's it for this.